Hello everybody, welcome back to the NIBIRU channel, February 19th, 2017. Opening up some emails this morning, and one of our subscribers sent in some very unusual video footage of what definitely looks like a planet in the early daytime sky. So we're going to get right into this footage, and I'm just going to say this right up front. It is not Venus that this individual was videotaping just a few days ago, because frankly, Venus is not visible in the early afternoon anywhere on this planet. As you can see, the object is clearly visible, and some cloud cover was moving in. And, you know, at first I thought, okay, maybe this might have been the moon. But just remembering the other day, I was out for an early lunch with a friend of mine, and he noticed that the moon was out. And this was around 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I actually snapped a photograph of the moon, and I'll show you that photograph towards the end of this video. But when I was looking at the video footage, I tried to zoom in and crop the photograph so I could get a better look at what this object is. And I mean, it's a very bright object. It's clearly visible, and I really don't know what to make of it, because it's definitely not the moon. Because again, I photographed the moon that afternoon, which was just, I think, about 3 days ago. So I added some filters and zoomed in closely to this object just to see if I could get a better view of it. And it seems like it's giving off quite a bit of light just sitting there in the daytime sky. And this video footage, I don't have the exact state where this came from, but it was from one of our US subscribers, and they just stated that they happened to look up and notice this spherical object in the sky, and they started videotaping, and there you go. Now, as I mentioned the other day when I was out to lunch, my friend saw the moon, asked why it was out, it looked so big, and this was my photograph, and this was not cropped or zoomed in. This is a photograph that I actually caught with my cell phone. I did zoom in with the cell phone, but this photograph is not cropped. Now, I did zoom in a little bit and crop this so you can get a better view and compare what you just saw. And that was definitely not the moon, nor was it Venus, because Venus would not be visible that early in the day. Now, I'm able to see Venus at around 5:30, 5:45 in the late afternoon, and it's very bright. And we're going to get into some of these questions about Venus and why we're seeing it so bright in the sky. But there you go, folks. We may be seeing planets in the daytime sky. Stay tuned. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce one of our new affiliate sponsors, Food for Liberty. And they provide the highest quality long-term food storage, water purification, and survival prepper supplies. All foods have a 25-year shelf life, certified non-GMO ingredients, and also a gluten-free option. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a very smart idea to have at least a 30-day supply of food and water in the case of any emergency. So there will be a link provided in the description box under this video for Food for Liberty. Hello everybody, welcome back to the NIBIRU channel, February 19th, 2017. Opening up some emails this morning, and one of our subscribers